Good Monday evening. Time to take a look here at your weather webcast on this Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. A little wet on Saturday, but the rain cleared out. It was a nice day on Sunday. And of course, today was not a bad day either. Started off this morning in the lower 40s at 41 degrees. Warmed up to warm, toasty 64 degrees this afternoon. I see our normals there, and we're normal, but overall, not a bad time out there today. And of course, our record low of 22 back in 1954. We didn't see anything like that, and I don't see anything like that in the near future, but we're going to be taking a look at some of the signs of fall, of course, that we're watching out for, with temperatures declining slowly, and that's what we've already experiencing that. Daylight begins later and also ends earlier, and we lose about 2 or 3 minutes of daylight each day now as we head throughout the rest of the year. We'll also notice those foggy days increasing as well. Now, we have a lot of ups and downs as we go throughout the fall season. Of course, our average first frost is on October 20th, and we've already seen several of those so far, so we're right on target for that. Average first freeze November the 1st, so we're still waiting on that. But as you can see here on our little graph here, that we have temperatures that are well below normal and well above normal as we go throughout this fall season. So we'll see that kind of up and down pattern continuing as we go throughout the rest of the month. But for this week, we're not going to be expecting a lot of that. So we're going to be seeing a few clouds arriving overnight tonight. And then it looks like we're going to see some of the winds pick up as we go throughout your Tuesday afternoon as the cold front moves through the area, but it will be a very dry front, so we're not expecting any rain or any moisture with it, maybe just a few clouds out of it. And then it looks like seasonally cool weather will be sticking around with us this week as we're going to be seeing some very nice fall-like weather. So on the radar picture, all pretty much on the dry side now. And also on the satellite picture, you can see here we have a few clouds out there. Notice on the last few frames here, we get a few clouds trying to creep in the northern part of the screen here. That's with ahead of a cold front here that's going to be moving in. So we have high pressure bringing in some of this great dry weather here today. This front will move in tonight and tomorrow, and then behind it, another shot of dry and cool air will be moving on into the area. So here's a little bigger picture. You can see that front moving through, then high pressure building in behind that front as we go throughout your Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, we see yet another front moving in as well, and that will be bringing in some more dry air behind it also. So for tonight, a few clouds, still chilly out there. Temperatures dropping down to around 40 degrees with a light northerly breeze. And then for your Tuesday, mostly sunny skies, a little breezy out there, especially in the afternoon with those northerly winds picking up 10 to 15 miles per hour. We're looking at high temperatures warming up to around 65 degrees. Notice over the next 7 days or so, temperatures don't really warm up too much, but they don't cool off that much either. We're just going to kind of stay in a stagnant fall-like weather pattern over the next several days, which means nice, cool, and dry weather coming up for us. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Cool and dry coming up as we go throughout not only the rest of the week, but into the weekend as well. And it looks like we're going to have a Friday night where we're looking at 0% chance of rain, which will be good news for all that football activity. And highs should remain into the 60s throughout the week, lows into the 30s and lower 40s. So overall, not an extremely bad forecast. Let's look at your weather webcast for your Monday evening. So on for Tuesday. Have a great evening.